I mean, how good does that look? Seriously. Hi, I'm Schuey, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to char grill these lemongrass chicken skewers. Make sure your taste buds are ready because these are packed full of flavour. So just grab a drink or two and let's get into it. Understandably, we're going to need some skewers. I'm using these metal skewers, but understandably, if you've only got wooden ones, you're just going to have to soak them in water for about an hour before you use them. By soaking them in water first, they will not burn up on you. I'm using chicken thighs today. I find they stay juicier and they have more flavour than chicken breast. And as always, the good people at Gippsland Premium Meats sorted me out. So just cut the thighs up into about 6 even pieces and place them into a Ziploc bag. Is it too early to like this video? I won't judge you if you pre-like it. Now this recipe does have a few ingredients. None of them are too hard to find. We just have to add them to a food processor. Lemongrass, only the white bits, some garlic, some fish sauce, some oyster sauce, some soy sauce, some ginger, brown sugar, olive oil, lime juice, coriander, and some chili flakes. Just give that a good spin until it's all mixed up. We now just want to add this to the diced up chicken pieces. Seal up the Ziploc bag and just give the chicken a bit of a mix up, making sure every piece is covered. Now pop this into the fridge for at least an hour to allow that chicken to absorb some of the flavour. It's time to make up our skewers. So just empty the marinated chicken into a bowl to make things easier. All you have to do is slide the chicken onto skewers. Obviously making the skewers even. It's not rocket science. Stab chicken with a little stick. Not live chickens, the chicken pieces. Today, I'm going to be using my Weber Go Anywhere, or GA as they're known, and I'm going to be pairing it up with my 100ml riser from Rub and Grub. This is just going to allow me to keep the chicken a little higher off that lit charcoal. So I'll 3/4 fill a chimney starter with lumped charcoal. I'll light it up, and once it's all lashed over, I'm going to dump that into the GA. And just using a pair of tongs, I'm going to spread it out, and making sure those bottom vents are wide open to allow as much airflow as possible. Now by keeping the chicken a little higher off the charcoal by using that riser, we're going to just char the chicken, giving us a great flavour, and we won't burn it. It is time to get these skewers on that GA. And just lay the skewers directly over the charcoal, and we're just going to give them a few minutes before we turn them. By cooking it directly over charcoal, as the juices fall down and hit that charcoal, it flares up and we get that nice smoky lick of flavour to our chicken. Now this can create a bit of smoke, don't worry, that's normal. And just remember, every few minutes we're just going to keep turning the chicken over, just so it all cooks nice and evenly. Look at the charring on that. These smell absolutely beautiful. Now this is a cook we do not want to turn our back on. We do want to create some charring on this chicken, but we need to turn it regularly to prevent it from burning. So I recommend keeping a beverage close at hand for this part of the cook. If you didn't know, Schueys BBQ also has a Facebook page and an Instagram account filled with awesome people just like you. Today, I'm grilling at a medium direct heat using the GA. These lemongrass chicken skewers are gonna take around about 30 minutes to reach that safe eating temp of 74 degrees Celsius. Or for those of you who like to use my beer timer, you're looking at a 1 beer cook. I won't judge you if you want to sneak in an extra one though. During the cook, I've been keeping a close eye on the internal temp of the chicken using an instant read thermometer, and they are currently reading 74 degrees Celsius. So we can just get them off the heat, and we're just going to give them about 5 minutes to cool down. It's a good time to sneak in that extra beer. Chicken is such a versatile meat to cook with, and by adding these certain flavours today, all I can think of is Asian street food. All we have to do is add some spring onion and some freshly squeezed lime juice. These smell absolutely amazing. Wow, the flavour explosion that's coming from this, nice little kick of chilli at the end. You know I'm going to say it. These are that good, they should be illegal. As always, cheers for watching.